Hi everybody, and welcome to Art Time. Today on Art Time, I'm going to be showing you how you can use PIxlr to make a wallpaper. If you don't know what PIxlr is, you're missing out on a lot. PIxlr is a photo editor that's 100% for free. It's a website and also an app. It's like Photoshop, except it's a lot more explainable. It has a bunch of tools and is so easy. So let's get started. First thing you're going to want to do is go to www.pixlr.com, or you can download the app on your mobile device. However, for this tutorial, you're going to need to go to the website. When you go to the website, this is what will pop up. You can either try the PIxlr X early release, which is the new PIxlr editor, or you can just use the original one. Today, I'll be showing you how you can make a wallpaper using the original one. So click Open PIxlr Editor. You're going to have to wait a minute for it to load. Once it has loaded, this is what will pop up. You can either create a new image by drawing in PIxlr. If you want that, you click this. Or you can open an image from your computer that you have saved or downloaded onto your laptop. Or you can open an image from a URL link. Today, I'll be opening an image from my computer. I made a folder that I have some flowers, and I'm going to be clicking this beautiful hydrangea picture. I now open it. When I open it, it will obviously open. As you can see, there are many different tools. Today, to make this a very easy way to do a wallpaper, I will only be showing you how to use the type tool. However, you can do the crop tool, the move tool, the lasso tool, the marquee tool, the wand tool, pencil tool, brush tool, paint bucket, eraser, gradient, clone, drawing tool, color replace, blur tool, sharpen tool, sponge tool, smudge tool, dodge tool, burn tool, spot heal tool, red eye reduction tool, bloat tool, pinch tool, type tool, color picker tool, hand tool, and zoom tool. Right here, you can change the main color. As I said, I'll only be showing you how you can use the text tool to make this as easy as possible. However, if you do want me to give you a whole rundown of PIxlr and how to use all the different tools, make sure to give us a thumbs up and we can consider doing that too. So you're going to click the type tool and you're going to click on your picture. This is what will pop up. In here, you'll write your text. So I will write, "Nothing is impossible." The word itself, or actually, I will write, "I speak flowers. What is your language?" There we go. I can move this text over here so that I can see my text more clearly. You can change the font, the size, the alignment, the style, and the color. Let's start off with the alignment. I like it to be centered, so that is what I will do. I will also change the size. You can make it a 50, maybe a 45 will look nice. I like the 45. And you can actually do this just to make it a bit easier. There we go. I speak flowers. What is your language? Here we can change the style. You can make it bold, italic, or bold and italic. However, I want it just to be regular. You can now change the font. I like the Agency FB font. It's a very nice font. Now, since I put the font in, I can make my text even bigger or even smaller to my liking. This is good enough for me. Now let's change the color. This is what will pop up. This will be your color selector. You can move it over here so that you can see better. You can make a custom color. You can use the RGB colors. Or you can use a web color. I like to use the web colors because it gives me an idea and it's way easier. You can also use the IMG colors. I'll be using the web colors. There are many different colors as you can see here, and all of them are very beautiful. It's very hard to pick a color. But after all, you are going to have to be clicking a color, so I'm going to be clicking this teal. I will OK it so that it stays. Now, you can OK it one more time right here, and there you go. If by any chance this is a bit uneven, you can click it and it'll again put this and you can change it. However, If that does not work, you can use the move tool by just clicking and moving, just like that. I like it. Let's make it a bit more even. There we go. That's how you use PIxlr to make wallpapers. This was a very easy tutorial and we hope you enjoyed it. If you do, make sure to give us a thumbs up and another thumbs up if you think that we should do a whole rundown of PIxlr. Make sure to comment down below what we should make next and subscribe for more videos just like this. Until next time, thanks for watching.